user is complaining, I'm not able to send any email. The all emails are getting stuck in outbox. To fix this problem, why it happened, let me show you. Because you could see 35 MB, that is not allowed in company environment. It should be less than 15 MB or 20 MB. That also depends on the company policy, how much they are allowed to send the file in MB. All right, so if your user is stating that all the files are getting stuck, all the emails are getting stuck in Outlook, that means there's something happened with the user. Also, they are not able to delete that because it's it's stuck on Outbox, and it's trying to Outlook trying to send that email, so you won't able to delete that as well. To delete that, you have to go to send receive, and you have to select this option, work offline. All right, and now you would able to delete that. That's it. Now you can just go back again on work offline, click that back. All right, now user would able to send email, and please that you are sending more than 20 MB file, that is really not allowed as per the company policy. The file size which have less than 15 MB, you would able to send that file, but not more than 15 MB. So if you want to send, you can just send the distribute the file in 15 MB size, and you would able to send that. So this is how you have to inform the user, and the issue would be resolved. Thank you very much. Let's see you in next video.